Genesis chapter 1 verse 25. And Yahweh made the beasts of the earth after his kind, and the cattle after their kind, and everything that creepeth upon the earth after his kind. And Yahweh saw that it was good.
Stem cells from the rat could be introduced into a mouse, and there they are educated to become organs that are composed mainly of rat cells. This is the first proof of principle that we could recreate that environment that allows cells to grow into another animal, inside another animal. And with those first results is when we attempted to replicate them, but in this case using human cells into a larger animal, the cow or the pig.
This is the definition for a chimera.
Chimera.
It says in Greek mythology, a fire-breathing female monster with a lion's head, a goat's body, and a serpent's tail. So this is what Esau is doing in these laboratories, man. He's taking different DNA and putting it in different animals and trying to breed different kind of species on the planet, man. And it's putting human cells and pigs and cows and just all kind of sick shit. This is 1 Corinthians chapter 15 verse 39. All flesh is not the same flesh, but there is one kind of flesh of men, another flesh of beasts, another of fishes, and another of birds. So right there, man, in 1 Corinthians, it's telling you that it's different kinds of flesh. So how they in these laboratories trying to mix flesh together, different kind of species of animals, man, they're gonna create something crazy that's gonna destroy. They don't know what they're doing in there. This is Leviticus chapter 19 verse 19. Ye shall keep my statutes. Thou shalt not let thy cattle gender with a diverse kind. Thou shalt not sow thy field with mingled seed. Neither shall a garment mingled of linen and woolen come upon thee. Right there he telling you, man, do not make two different kinds of animals. Right there. Clear as day. Who is the wicked on the planet? I think we know the answer to that question. Okay, I had to put my investigative hat on for a second. I had wanted to find out, man, who was funding this chimera shit. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's worldwide, but this is an institute in America that's funding this. This is the National Institutes of Health. NIH announces plans to lift its moratorium on funding research that involves injecting human embryonic stem cells into animal embryos, which would allow for the creation of part human and part animal organisms known as chimeras. Man, this is sick, man. He's the devil. He is the devil that the Bible speaks of.
What we're doing is putting these human stem cells in a natural environment, inside a living animal. In this natural environment, they can grow, they can differentiate. In simple words, they can be educated to become a heart, a liver, or a pancreas cell type. And this is something very exciting because for the first time, we can see how human cells can grow inside an animal. The implication of these results are vast.
The ultimate goal for this type of research is to whether we can use this technology to generate human tissue and organs. But before we do that, we need to understand how the human cells and pig cells interact during this process, and to increase the survival of human cells in the environment. That's going to give us a lot of unique insight into something that we don't know before. And those information will probably be very important for discovering new phenomena, new biology, new drugs, new treatment, and understanding diseases, to alleviate many of the sufferings of human diseases.
This is Psalms chapter 103, verse 2 through 3. Bless Yahweh, O my soul, and forget not all his benefits, who forgiveth all thine iniquities, who healeth all thy diseases. So If you looking for man to heal you, then you already a lost cause. You already done for. You might as well stick a fork and you done. You gotta look for Yahweh to heal you, the Almighty Father. All praises to Yahweh, Ba'ashem Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem Kakadash, for giving me this knowledge, this wisdom to look past the nonsense and the foolishness of this world. All praises to your name, Father. All praises, all praises, all praises. Shalom to the elect.